What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday, April the 29th. This is math class. Hopefully all of you were able to get a jump on your 9 angles and identify whether they were acute, obtuse, straight, or right angles. And also, I really, again, encourage you guys to go to Math Antics and type in Math Antics basic angles. And he's going to have a really good lesson in there that will really support your learning and reinforce what I taught you guys yesterday. All right, so we're going to jump into the answers from yesterday, as well as another 9 angles today that, again, I want you guys to identify what type of angle it is and whether it is greater than, less than, or equal to 90 degrees. So let's just jump right into that video. All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, let's just do a quick review of what we learned yesterday. So we have 4 types of angles. Our first angle is called a right or a square angle, and it has this small little box symbol that represents 90 degrees. Our second angle here is called an acute angle, which means that the angle is less than 90 degrees. It is falling clockwise, and we use this little arc in here to represent that it is less than 90 degrees. Here we have an obtuse angle, which means that the angle is falling counterclockwise, getting larger than 90 degrees, so it is greater than 90 degrees. And finally, we have our straight angle here, which means that we had 2 angles that both fell flat and made a straight line, which gives us a half a circle arc, which equals 180 degrees, which for the purposes of the assignment is still greater than 90 degrees. All right. So with that, let's jump into these answers really quick. I'm just going to do a couple of them, not all of them. Okay. Here was the assignment from yesterday. Hopefully you were able to pause and get these all written down for yourself. Okay. So first of all, our first one here should be the easiest one. It is a 90-degree angle. Okay. That's a 90-degree angle. Now, our second one. Which way did our line fall? Did it get smaller? Did it fall this way? Yes, it did. That means it is less than a 90-degree angle. So it's going to look like this. And the name of this one is an acute angle. Sorry, the first one is named a right angle. Or if you want to call it a square angle, that's okay too. All right. Now, this one, again, which way is the angle falling? Yes, once again, it is falling inward. It is getting smaller. The angle is getting smaller, which means it is an acute angle. And again, it is less than 90 degrees. All right. Let's look at this one here. This one is a straight angle. Okay. For self-explanatory reasons, it's straight. All right. Now, is it more than or less than 90 degrees? Well, it has fallen flat on both sides, which means it fell 90 degrees in both directions. Okay. Which means it is it is greater than 90 degrees. All right. So it is greater than 90 degrees. All right. This one is also greater than 90 degrees because, again, the angle fell away from 90 degrees, meaning it fell counterclockwise. It's getting bigger, so it is larger than 90 degrees. And because it is larger, we call that type of line an acute angle. All right, so that's all I'm going to give you. Hopefully you should be able to use this strategy to get the rest of these. And now I'm going to give you your next 9 angles. All right, so here they are. Go ahead and get ready to pause your video so that you can get these written down. I'm trying to get that glare out of there for you, although I don't know if I can. There we go. So again, what are we doing here? The assignment. We're going to, first of all, label each one of these, all right, as either square, acute, obtuse, or straight. Then we're going to identify, is it equal to 90 degrees, like this? Is it less than 90 degrees, like this? Or is it greater than 90 degrees? All right. So again, do these next 9 and we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. All right. Go ahead and pause your video now if you need to write down or draw these 9 lines so that you can do the assignment. All right, we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys.